Hey guys, it's Lonnie. So I just wanted to come on here real quick and talk about this item that I just bought. It's a Repels All animal repellent granules. So a couple weeks ago, I mentioned in my group, my gardening group, that I'm having issues with deer in my yard, which I talk about the deer coming through and the birds and the squirrels always attacking my fruits and vegetables every year. And she recommended this item right here. So I went ahead and went to Lowe's and purchased this. And as you can see here, it says that it lasts up to 2 months. And these are the animals that it deters. But it is also people and pet safe. You can see right here, these are the active ingredients as well as the inert ingredients. Total equals 100%. These are the animals they say it repels, and it is 3 pounds. If you see right here, these are pretty much the two main destroyers of my garden. And I'm pretty sure that the skunk comes every now and then, and there may be rabbits, but I'm not sure. I just never seen them myself. But this item right here, when you turn it around, it gives you the instructions here. It shows you how it works. Let me see. Yeah, it has the instructions right here, how it works, how to use it. It actually has a conversion chart right here. Let me get a close-up of that. But the main thing about this item is pretty much you're going to want to just sprinkle it all over your garden, or places that specifically that you want to repel certain animals from, and then lightly water that area after you sprinkle the granules. I already trimmed and pruned my yard. I watered, then I went ahead and sprinkled the granules, and then I watered again lightly. And when you see the granules, let me show you. Whoops. Oh, there's my hand. Can you guys see that? You see the granules? It's just tiny little, like grayish looking granules. And it smells like garlic mostly. It's very potent. But I don't mind the smell of garlic. I actually enjoy the smell of garlic because, you know, hello, I'm Korean. We use garlic for everything. So yeah, don't mind the smell at all. So funny story. I got some on my hand as I was watering, and I pulled a weed real quick, and I got it on my hand, and then this little fool right here, Hercules, that guy right there, went ahead and smelled my hand and was like giving me that stink face. You guys know what I'm talking about, like that, oh my gosh, you're so disgusting face. And for him to think that about me, I know it definitely works, because this fool will eat anything that's a fruit or vegetable. So I'm just excited and looking forward to like seeing my fruit trees and my vegetables and my roses and everything else that's in my yard flourish this year. And pretty much that is going to be my main indicator that it's working. What else about this item? Oh, I also read that if you do have a heavy rain, which is very limited here in El Paso, all you're going to want to do is just resprinkle it. And I think pretty much I covered everything on here. So let me know down below if you guys ever use this product and how well it worked for you in your yard. And if this didn't work, what was another product that you used that did work? All right. Other than that, I think that's it for me. And for now, I'll see you next time. Talk to you later. Bye.